Do you want a haircut?
No, thank you.
Yes, you do. So your hair is messy. What did you put in? What did you put in, Mommy? Mommy, what did you put in your hair?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for being here again. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these passion twists for only $30. Yes, $30. So I used the Toyotress's passion twist hair from Amazon and it was about $28.99 before taxes. And if you have Prime, it did come in 2 days. We love that. So it also came... Y'all, I done dropped the crochet needle. So it also came with a crochet needle. And then it also came with these rubber bands and hair accessories that you can add on. But I did not use those because, again, I did a no rubber band crochet method. I'm trying to stop looking at the screen. I really suck at this, so y'all bear with me. But I am going to show you guys exactly how I achieve these passion twists. You guys will see the method that I use being able to crochet it in with no rubber bands. If you can see, these are in there good. They're not going nowhere. I absolutely love how this hair turned out. So I got the color T27 and I got it in 14 inches and it sits just below my shoulders. So I am absolutely in love with this hair. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, you can keep on watching. Okay, so let's jump right into this tutorial. I'm starting out by showing you guys how the hair comes packaged, and this is the stock card if you wanted to take a screenshot. It'll also be in the description box down below. But the hair comes in one pack, but that one pack includes 7 bundles, and altogether it was about $30. And so they come individually wrapped like this. And then for my edges and to sleek down the braids, I use the Magic Finger Shine and Jam. So now I'm just going to start to braid my natural hair about 1/4 of the way down, and this is just going to give us the foundation so that we can crochet our passion twist hair in. And this is how we're able to do this crochet method without any rubber bands, which is much better for your hair and causes less breakage. So now that we have that braid, we're going to take our crochet needle and very carefully slide that through the top of this braid. And then we are going to grab 3 pieces of this Toyotress's passion twist hair, and we're just going to slide that through the braid just like that. And you do want to be gentle. You don't want to pull and tug on your hair, so just be careful when you're doing this step. And then you want to grab 1 portion of that passion twist hair and then also your natural hair, that braid, and just pull it through. And then you want to tighten it. And as you see here, I was struggling just a little bit, but I didn't want to cut this out because I wanted you guys to see how it can look when you are trying to get that tightened so that you can get your braid going. Once you get it to your liking, you want to go ahead and just start to braid down just a little bit. I'd say about 1 inch down. And so you'll see me here just starting a small braid. And then you're going to take your natural hair when it's back in the middle of that braid, and you're going to split it in 2 and grab some of that shine and jam if you need to. And so you see me here splitting my hair in 2, and then I'm just going to begin to twist, and I'm going to twist it all the way down.
Things coming to me that I wanted or whatever, drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years.
At this point, you'll start to see me kind of twisting as I twist. And this is just going to help me to make sure that my real hair is intertwined in this twist, as well as make sure that it is tight and as secure as possible. So I'm going to continue to do that all the way down this twist. You want to make sure that you're twisting all the way to the end because you don't want it to unravel. We're not going to be dipping this in hot water at the end, so this is just going to ensure the longevity of your twist. And I know you guys see my daughter's little hands. Hey, Reagan. That's pretty much it. This is how I did my entire head. As you can see, this is a super easy, low maintenance protective style. I am going to show you guys one more time in real speed, and then I'll speed it up at the end just to finish out this hairstyle. I really hope you guys give this a try. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel for more beauty, mommy talk, and business talk, and I will see you guys next time.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night.
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is. And I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe. And I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million and dollars.